When it comes to talking about commercial real estate, video marketing, I want to share with you kind of a director's cut of one of our most popular videos at barnescreativestudios.com. This was a commercial real estate video marketing project that came up a few years ago when ThyssenKrupp was coming to town and building a new elevator facility right near the Braves Stadium, which you'll see there on the screen. And you don't see ThyssenKrupp because it wasn't built yet. But this was a very complicated video to put together. And it's videos like these with a lot of effects that can really drive the cost up. But on the flip side of that, if your commercial real estate video marketing project is small, we can also build some pretty cool stuff, getting away from some of the expensive items like special effects, helicopters, etc. So I want to take you through and break down this video. We worked with the Braves on this, the Braves commercial real estate group, and also Nelson, the architects. One of the biggest hurdles was the fact that there is a army base right there, like literally a mile back from where this shot sits. So not only did we have to get FAA clearance and clearance on a game day for Major League Baseball, but also because of all of the traffic going into the Dobbins, it's actually Air Force Base that's right there. So this one took months and months in pre-production, and then when you actually get to it, a lot of the heights we needed to hit were much higher than we could go with the drone, so we had to get helicopters to kind of piece it all together. So I want to walk you through. We've talked about this before. When you launch your commercial real estate video marketing project, the first thing that is going to set the foundation is the music. I was very surprised that this group actually picked a really edgy piece of music that a lot of people will comment that they love, but I don't see a lot of people taking the risk and doing something this edgy. I'll give you a quick sample of it. You see, that's way different than most commercial real estate projects. So I'm going to scrub through this and just talk through some of the points, and then we'll play the video in its entirety at the end. So a lot of this stuff right here at this height, this is all drone. But again, very difficult to get clearance for this area, and on a day when the clouds look decent and it's not an ugly day. This part of town, for some reason, thunderstorms come and go all the time. So a lot of these are just establishing the connection with the Braves area because that's where it's being built. So kind of setting the excitement of what's going on in that area. And then we're going to get to the architecture. So now we've kind of set the stage of the area where the development is going in. And now you'll see the building start to pop up. And this is where we get into the mixed reality. So everything but that building is real. And that's all shot with a drone, and it's all shot at very specific heights and movements so we could match the building. I'll just let that build out for you right there so you can see it. So everything on that is real except those two buildings. This tall building you see right here and this small building right next to it. So then we go into a series of graphics from Nelson that show the building again. Now this one was really tough. This is a mixed reality shot as well. So everything you see with traffic is real and shot from a helicopter, basically with one door off hanging out the side of the helicopter because we had to get so high to fit this really tall building in the shot. Not all commercial real estate video marketing projects are this tough, but not all of them are this expensive either. So this one seems to be pointed out as an example a lot of times when people are shopping through our site. But you can see a lot of work went into the effects and renderings. So this last one's a cool shot. This is an event space they were putting at the top of the building, and we had to find a way to mix the real night shot, and they held all traffic at this Air Force base, at Dobbins Air Force Base, so we could get this shot. So basically, this is during a Braves game. All of that is real except the building and this little building right next to it. But there's a playoff Braves game happening at the same time. So it was really wild. We're flying sideways in a helicopter. So sideways in a helicopter with the door off, hanging out with a gimbal and a huge camera. And you'll see there's the Braves game going on. So getting that clearance was a beast. We hope you'll contact us for your next commercial real estate video marketing project. And now take a look at ThyssenKrupp and the Atlanta Braves Development Company in its entirety.